Hey, what's up, everybody? And happy holidays. This is Manny V from EpicSurfTours.com. So, yeah, I mean, 2020, what can I say? It was a bizatch. A lot of us had a tough time, including myself, but we're alive. Keep surfing, go outside, breathe the fresh air, do whatever you have to do to keep your mind clear. And the world's not going to stop for us. So keep on moving forward and stay positive and be smart when you're outside. 2021, let's make that the year to do epic shit. I know it's going to be a pretty awesome year. I already can feel it in my bones. 2021 is the silver lining in the dark clouds. So let's get to it and enjoy every single day in 2021. I do have the dates for Baja Weekender already posted on EpicSurfTours.com. I'd love to have you on one of those trips. The new ride, the new accommodations, everybody's pumped on it. The 5-bedroom house, 2-story with a lookout on top is pretty pimp. And I'd really love to share that with you in 2021. Plus, we got a new Surf Monkey Award. It's almost twice as big as the old one that we had. So I'd love to have you on any one of the trips. Baja Weekender is the flagship. So I'd love to take you down to Baja for the weekend. If you don't have time on the weekends, but you have a crew, we can do midweek as well. Just hit me up for availability. Next up is the Cobble Exploration and the Indonesia Boogie Dream Tour will be posted with dates and pricing by the end of this week, if not by the end of next week. I actually take off to my Baja Deep South trips next Thursday, so everything will be up and rocking before I leave. That's for sure. If you want something short and sweet, we do have boat trips. I have a captain who has a boat. I have my boat, and we do boat trips out to this pretty cool spot in San Diego. And I don't want to name where it is, but if you want to do something really cool, hit me up on EpicSurfTours.com, and I'll feed you the information offline. And let me tell you, it's actually really, really cool. Those are the San Diego boat trips. Epic Surf Tours merchandise. The website is up and running. Go to EpicSurfTours.com, click on shop, and the link will be there to my teespring.com store. That's where you can pick up some Epic Surf Tours merchandise. This jacket is custom made. I had it made. It's going to be my work jacket during the cold months. So, but we do have sweaters, t-shirts, face masks, a whole bunch of stuff on the website. If you go to shop on my website, and then you'll get the link to there to go to the Epic Surf Tours merchandise page. All right, check this out. I just put up photos on TripAdvisor, Epic Surf Tours. If you're a TripAdvisor person, likes to leave reviews, I'd be super stoked if you left one for Epic Surf Tours. Actually, I'd be really pumped. I just put it up, I think last night. So not much there, and you're not going to be able to book trips through TripAdvisor, but I kind of want to keep that on EpicSurfTours.com. But you can leave a review, and I'd be super pumped if you did that. Finally, photo shoots. I just got my FAA certified remote Part 107 remote pilot's license, and which means I can fly this thing and charge people to get photos and video with the drone. So that's part of it. I have this sick water setup, the GoPro 9 for photos, the GoPro 8 for video, and the GoPro 9, don't be fooled, even though it's a GoPro, it's actually very, very awesome in taking photos. The chip they have to capture the quality is amazing. So I love jumping in the water. And of course, there's land photos and land video as well. 2021, I'm going to change the prices so it's affordable for everybody. Right now, I'm going to actually just be ready for that. I am going to drop the price for photo sessions, and you'll be able to book it by yourself or up to 3 people. I want to make sure I get everybody, the right amount of photos. So photo shoots, best thing to do if you want to improve your surfing as well. Video surf coaching is available as well. Everything's on the website, EpicSurfTours.com. I made it to the bottom of my list. Again, thank you all for supporting me in 2020. Let's make 2021 the year to do epic shit. All right, you guys, I'm out of here. Enjoy this awesome weather in San Diego. Until the next update, I'm out. Peace.